The fires are generating their own weather. Pyrocumulonimbus clouds, towering storm systems born from the heat of the blaze itself, creating winds no forecast predicted. 20,000 people evacuated, 10,000 more with bags packed. Officials cannot say when anyone goes home. British Columbia has over 100 active wildfires. The worst ones are making their own rules. More than 20,000 people remain under evacuation orders across British Columbia as firefighters battle over 100 active wildfires, including several major blazes displaying what officials have described as explosive fire behaviour. Thousands of displaced residents are preparing to spend another night away from their homes, while nearly 10,000 more people remain under evacuation alerts and have been told to be ready to leave at short notice. Among the most serious fires is the out-of-control Bald Range wildfire northwest of Summerland in the Okanagan, where residents have been warned that evacuation orders cannot yet be lifted. Officials say the blaze expanded dramatically within hours as exceptionally dry vegetation, shifting winds, and extreme atmospheric conditions combined to accelerate its growth. CBC meteorologist Johanna Wagstaff said the fire produced pyrocumulonimbus clouds, towering storm systems generated by intense wildfire heat. Such conditions can create unpredictable winds and make a fire extremely difficult for crews to attack directly. The rapid growth has left evacuated families facing uncertainty over when they will be allowed home and what they may find when they return. Regional authorities have acknowledged growing frustration among residents of Summerland, but say public safety must take priority.
We can't even think about lifting evacuation orders until the Bald Range fire is better controlled.
4 major wildfires remained out of control as of Tuesday evening, while crews confronted difficult conditions across the province. Firefighters are hoping cooler temperatures and lighter winds will provide an opportunity to strengthen containment lines and slow further growth in the coming days. Authorities have also urged tourists to stay away from the Okanagan while emergency operations continue, reducing pressure on roads, accommodation, and other services needed by evacuees and emergency personnel. Residents have been reminded that off-road vehicles are prohibited in some areas because their engines and exhaust systems can ignite extremely dry vegetation and potentially start additional fires. The scale of the emergency has been magnified by the sheer number of simultaneous blazes. With more than 100 active wildfires burning across British Columbia, resources are being stretched across multiple communities while thousands remain displaced. The Bald Range fire has emerged as a particular concern because of the speed and intensity of its expansion, illustrating how rapidly a wildfire can become difficult to control when critically dry fuels combine with unstable atmospheric conditions and changing winds. For thousands of families across British Columbia, that volatility means the wait continues. Until firefighters can establish greater control over the largest blazes, more than 20,000 evacuees remain unable to return home, while another 10,000 people are keeping bags packed and preparing for the possibility that they could be ordered out next.